We're here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona to get the story on a company that thinks they can install a fully integrated suite of business software, and I'm talking about everything, inventory, accounting, operations, network, email, Minesweeper, the whole deal, in a ridiculously short amount of time and help grow their business. Inspired by trendy shows like Extreme Home Makeover and Pimp My Ride, Shuck & Sons is attempting to pimp something as complex as fully integrated business software. This is Craig Steele. Craig is president and CEO of Shuck & Sons Construction, a leading home building and manufacturing company. They've grown to 1,400 employees in 3 locations. So if you're growing this fast, why do you need software?
That is the reason we need the software. We have so many fragmented areas of the operation that there's duplication of effort on 5 or 6 fronts. And we need that software to give us real-time information so that we can manage the business better.
This is Mark Seidel. He's Shuck & Sons VP of Finance.
Our system is outdated. Our company has experienced tremendous growth, and it's time to update those systems and move into the 21st century with current technology.
Mark introduced me to Bob Langtree. Bob spends most of his day out on the construction site managing crew and materials. So I imagine working on a project like this, a lot of information has to change hands.
There's a lot of tedious information and a lot of time-consuming paperwork that we really get bogged down with in our data activities. Most all that information is done manually. Paperwork, blocks of wood.
Wait, I'm sorry, did you say you take down notes on blocks of wood?
Oh, exactly. Oftentimes we'll just pick up a block of wood, write down what we need to know, and later in the day we'll get it back to a hard copy somewhere.
So it's obvious Shuck & Sons needs a technology makeover. And who better to help them than the talented team from Microsoft Gold Partner Iteration 2.
Today they're working with 3 or 4 disparate systems that don't necessarily talk to each other, so they've got integration concerns. They re-enter data multiple times, so we're going to try to reduce those redundancies and get them one integrated system from top to bottom.
Wait. Machines are going to talk to each other? When will you be able to teach these machines how to love?
I don't know if we're going to be able to do that.
No?
I don't know.
Because I'd be really into that. So maybe now's a good time to sketch you out a blueprint of their implementation so you get a better idea of what's going on. Now, keep in mind I'm no professional, so this will be rough. Greg Carter and his team are going to give Shuck & Sons an extreme technology makeover, starting with Microsoft Exapta as their enterprise application backbone, helping them take charge of all this lumber and materials with a new level of efficiency and real-time insights. So, when Whitey in estimating is calculating the number of 2x4s that are needed for the next 40 houses to be built, everyone now has access to that info. And now, with Exchange Server on the Windows Server system, they'll be getting a new level of messaging and collaboration as well. But wait, who's this? It's Bob, miles away out on a construction site. And don't worry, Bob, Iteration 2 has developed a field service application that will start pushing information out into the field to handheld devices. Now, Bob can manage his lumber and crew from the site via the web, knowing that the information he has is real-time and accurate. The construction of Shuck & Sons' new technology makeover has begun. Let's give them a few months to build this structure of new technology. In the meantime, we got some houses to build. No? Cool. I'm gonna go truss up the particle board or nail gun. Keep on trucking. I leave Shuck & Sons with this impressive makeover now in the able hands of Iteration 2. I'm looking forward to what I'll find on my return. I'm looking for the airport. Good to see you again, Greg.
You too, Rob. How are you?
Good. How have things been going here?
Fantastic. It's an integrated system from estimating to production in the yard to delivery out to the construction site, back through receiving financials. We put tools in their hands to make their jobs easier. The Microsoft solution is much easier for them to learn, more intuitive, actually allows them to be more creative and try things they haven't tried before. Take on customers that they maybe couldn't handle before.
It's so user-friendly that everyone's been able to jump in and learn, and I think the success lies in the people. The speed in which we'll gain information and the accuracy, we'll be able to free some folks up and have them do more profitable things for the company and help us grow the business a lot faster as well.
With the Microsoft mobile technology, they have this handheld device that now I can be scheduling tasks on my laptop for somebody 15, 20 miles away from me. Frees up my time, allows me to train people, gives me direct connect with my office.
This system is going to take this company to the next level because it is so easy to use, provides fast, accurate, timely information. It will only help us become a better company in the future, which ultimately will be better for our customers.
The folks at Shuck & Sons know it's their people that make them successful. And now that they've had this technology makeover, these people have a whole new set of tools that help them work more effectively. So if you're looking to build on the success of your people, know this. Microsoft now lets you take the powerful hammer of enterprise-level technology into your own hands and use it to empower your people, manage your operations, and more importantly, pound the living daylights out of the competition. Wow, that was a tough one. Here, take that. That's heavy. You never know. They look really light, you know, hammers, I guess. That's what it is, right? A hammer?